Hey, how's it going? Alright, you ready for this? Impossible pie. Mate, this is so cool. I'm really excited to share this one with you, to be honest. Alright, preheat our ovens to 180 degrees Celsius. Now we need an oven dish. Now I'm using this one today because I'm hoping that you'll be able to see through the glass when it's cooked and see how this works. But, alright, this is an 11 cup one. So we'll see how it goes. Either going to be too big or too small or just right. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get yourself some butter or margarine and really grease the whole inside of it, okay? So our oven's preheating. We've got that ready to go. Next thing we want to do is we want to get 125 grams of butter, chop it up in a small saucepan, put it on the lowest heat that you possibly can have, and melt that down. Now keep an eye on it. While that's melting down, get ourselves a large bowl, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of designated coconut, half a cup of plain flour. Mix them all up a little bit, and now we'll wait for our butter to melt. Butter's melted, in she goes. I've got this thing about saying in she goes. I'm gonna get over it. Alright, if you get all your stuff ready first, this makes it heaps more fun, eh? 2 cups of milk, 4 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we want to mix it in really, really well. Alright, I forgot to whisk the eggs first in the bowl before I threw them in there then. What a pain in the ass, so I've just got the whisk out and it seems to be working. So yeah, whisk your eggs in your bowl first would be easier. Mate, this is so cool. Alright, so once you're giving it a good mix in, don't forget it's going to have all those little lumps in it because of the coconut, so don't freak out over that. Alright, get our oven tray. Pour in. Okay, now why this is called an impossible pie. Alright, so we put it in the oven between 30 and 45 minutes. Everyone's ovens are different. I will let you know after this. I've got an electric one exactly how long it took me. So when it's finished cooking, you're going to have it's like a sort of a pastry base on it, and then it's like an egg custard in the middle and coconut on top. It comes out as this layered cake thing. It's freaking awesome. So now we're going to chuck it in the oven, put 30 on it, look at it after 30, and I'll tell you in a minute how it's supposed to look when it's ready, alright? Let's do this, yum! Oh, I hope you can see that clearly in there. I don't know if you can see there's like a pastry-like base, and then you've got your egg custard in the middle, and you've got this, it's puffed up now, and it slowly will go down, and it's all the coconut, crispy coconut top on it. It is absolutely amazing, and it is so yummy. So you can eat it hot, you can eat it cold, you can eat it with ice cream, you can eat it on its own. It's an absolute winner all the way around. You have to give it a crack. It's not very many ingredients, and it is a really, really nice dessert. Wait, thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day, and I'll be back. Bye. I thought I'd better put some in a bowl and show you what it looks like. I've taken some photos now. Hopefully you can see like that. Oh, look at that. Alright, I'm going to move you out and show you. Oh, sorry, not very professional, is it? Get that. Look at this. Oh, mate, I'm so excited. Oh, I haven't had this in forever. Once again, see you later. Bye.